Alright, so welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize your desktop to make it a lot more visually appealing. As someone who spent way too long customizing their own desktop, I'm hoping that I can provide you with some valuable tips and tricks on how to do so. I'm going to show you how to get from something like this, your typical desktop, to something a little bit more like this. It's worth noting that you will not have to download or purchase any software to pull this off, as almost everything that I'm about to show you deals exclusively with Windows 10 settings. It's also worth noting that this is all based on my own opinion, so feel free to make your own changes and additions wherever you so choose. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, the taskbar. As we're going to be cleaning up your desktop as much as possible while trying to maintain full functionality, the taskbar is going to become your new best friend. I recommend disabling task view, as well as people, and unpinning any applications you won't regularly use, while pinning some that you will, like your search engine, as well as maybe something like Discord. Next, we're going to open up taskbar settings, turn on small icons, disable peek, and switch both of these never drop downs to always. In colors, I recommend switching to dark mode. If you like light mode, you're a psychopath, but it's up to you. Turn on transparency and switch your accent color to whatever you so choose. This will change some things like here inside settings, as well as here in Windows File Explorer and your start button. Now that you're done with your taskbar, we can move on to the desktop. My favorite method for getting rid of desktop icons is to go somewhere like Downloads and create a new folder titled Desktop. In this folder, you could create some subfolders like Games, Software, Tools, etc. Then you can move your shortcuts from your desktop into their corresponding folders. Then you can right-click on the taskbar, hover over Toolbars, New Toolbar, and find each of these folders. With that, you now have access to all of your desktop shortcuts without all of the clutter. To get rid of the recycling bin, I recommend creating a shortcut, titling it whatever you want, and then moving it somewhere like Downloads, where you can easily access it. This shortcut will operate the same as the normal recycling bin, just without being on the desktop. To get rid of the icon on the desktop, right-click, Personalize, Themes, Desktop Icon Settings, and disable Recycling Bin. With that out of the way, we can move on to wallpapers. I recommend using high definition wallpapers, but it's entirely up to you. I'll go find an example here on the website UHD Wallpapers, which I highly recommend. I'll just pick this one, choose the highest definition option, press download, go find that file, right click, and set as background. Another option which I highly recommend is Wallpaper Engine. If you haven't heard of it, I recommend you look into it. It's a $5 tool that you can get on Steam, which gives you access to a variety of community-created animated wallpapers. They all look fantastic, run like a charm, and don't impact performance at all. Another tip is to access your registry editor, go to this path, which I'll put in the description, add a new dword value titled taskbar acrylic opacity, open it up, and set the value to 0. Now, if you restart Windows File Explorer and Task Manager, your taskbar will become completely invisible. Just another little touch. With that, we've concluded the video. I hope you guys found this useful. Please feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.